A very good evening to all of you. Myself SSVR, and that is the classes going to be started for you all in Drona Coaching Institute Head Office branch. And today I am going to describe you all about the rational numbers that is related with class 8th, 9th and 10th. Now in the beginning we shall start with the name of Har Har Mahadev. Har Har Mahadev. Now the topic we are going to discuss that rational number. Each and every individual person knows who is in class 6th, 7th or 8th and basically in class 9th and 10th that every number that can be represented or expressed in the form of P upon Q, where Q can never be equal to 0, is said to be rational number. Just like I will explain you that any number that can be represented in the form of P upon Q, any number that can be described in the form of P upon Q, where P and Q both are integers, but the condition is that Q can never be equal to 0. Q will never be equal to 0. The main thing to be understand that what is the standard form of rational number. Each and everything has a fixed standard form. Just like as a teacher, I will describe you what is the standard form of teacher. The standard form of teacher is to wear a tie, having trouser and clothes, along with a particular obstacles on his eyes or her eyes. So here we are going to discuss about these things clearly, that what is the standard form of a rational number. Standard form of rational number states that the denominator can never be equal to negative. Denominator can never be negative. Suppose you are writing 3 upon minus 5. So you will have to know that this is not the standard form of rational number. Standard form of rational number will be described as when you multiply it by the denominator and numerator with the negative sign of minus 1, and on that case the numerator will become negative but denominator will become positive, then we can say that that is the standard form of rational number. But remember one thing, that it is the only one case of standard form of rational number. There are two cases. There are basically two cases for standard form. That the simplest form, I am describing you the simplest form of fraction, or you can say the simplest form of numerator and denominator, with common divisor is 1 and denominator will never be 0. If you will see the example of this, suppose I am writing 3 upon 5. So you are going to know that 3 upon 5 has only one common divisor is 1. That is 1. So it is in the simplest form, as well as you are seeing that the denominator is positive. Denominator is positive. So in that case we can say that this is the standard form of a rational number. Now second thing we are going to discuss about this clearly, that how many types of a rational number. Mainly we have to remember that rational number is of two types. First, negative rational number, and second, positive rational number. Suppose negative rational number are those numbers whose numerator or denominator is negative. In that case you have to know that standard form denominator cannot be negative but numerator can be negative. So in that case you will have to remember, I will describe you the types of rational number. Just like every single individual students will be eager to know that, sir, you are describing the rational number, then can this be possible that there will be some numbers which cannot be rational? Yes, it is possible. But that cases we'll discuss in the further classes. Here we are going to talk about the fixation time of rational number. Now see, negative rational number means anything, either denominator or numerator is negative. They are called negative rational number. Similarly, the positive rational number, you have to know that suppose I am writing 7 upon 5. So neither the denominator nor the numerator is negative. Both are positive. And similarly, you are observing that suppose I will write minus 8 upon minus 3. Correct? So people say that it is a negative rational number. But no, because minus and minus will cancel each other. In that case, it will become 8 upon 3. So we can say it is also a positive rational number. Now that brings all of us to the biggest conclusion of the rational number types, negative and positive. The negative rational number having either numerator or the denominator is negative, and positive rational number having both numerator as well as denominator is always positive. Or in that case, numerator and denominator both are negative, then negative and negative will cancel each other, then we can say it will also a positive rational number. Now in that case we shall discuss over further in the next classes. Till the end, I have to meet you again. Goodbye.